Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Loving this adorable pool behind this home. It's closed in. Lots of outdoor living space. What is one of your favorite things about this house?
You know what? The location and this outdoor living space. With the screen, it keeps you protected, and that's my favorite. But let's talk about inside. I think the kitchen is super cute and quaint.
Stainless steel appliances.
Yes, and it does have a backsplash and everything, and just the right amount of space.
Absolutely, and it's very versatile. So this is a non-rental community, and by that we mean no short-term vacation rentals. So this would be perfect for a starter home, retirement home, or just your beach getaway.
Absolutely.
As Heather mentioned, the location is amazing. Pier Park, shopping, Frank Brown Park, close drive to the airport, and you can get on over to the other side, as you mentioned.
30A.
Yes.
I mean, everything's just right here. It's a perfect little spot to kind of launch, and then the beach is right down the way.
No HOA.
And no HOA. That's huge. Well, I think one thing that I super love about the interior is the Florida room. So you've got these double doors out here that lead to the deck, and that Florida room can extend this indoor-outdoor living.
Absolutely. Plenty of space, no carpet, great value over here in the West End. If you'd like to see it, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
And for more information, look in the description below. You can get the listing link for those added details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future hot deals like this one.